Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and excited too for your new batch. So your new batch of Flutter Technology is going to start by today and me Vaishali Chaudhary will take your batch. So let me introduce myself first. I am Vaishali Chaudhary. I am from Agra. I have graduated this year in 2020 from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth as a computer science engineer. I did my internship in CRIS, Center for Railway Information and System, and worked on a live Flutter app, IREPS, Indian Railway e-procurement system. And currently, I am working as a Flutter developer in Unthinkable Solution, Gurgaon. Today, in this session, we will talk about little bit about the introduction part of the Flutter and the syllabus. We'll discuss the detail of the introduction of Flutter by next session. The syllabus we will cover in the whole batch we'll discuss today. So what is Flutter? Many of you have Android phone and some may also have iPhone, right? You all uses apps in your phone. Have you ever noticed the apps you use in an Android phone, you can't use the same app in your iPhone? Why is it so? Because before the concept of cross platform came, the apps make for Androids are different and the apps make for iOS are different. But you could notice the thing that the functionalities of both the apps are same. Either the functionalities are same, you'll have to create a new app for different apps for both the platform. So you'll need to understand the two different technologies for making a single functionality app. So to reduce that work of making a different apps for both the platform, the concept of cross platform came and the concept of Flutter came. So it is launched by Google in 2017. What is Flutter? We'll talk about the definition of Flutter. Then Flutter is a Google's UI toolkit for building beautifully natively compiled application for mobile, web and desktop for a single code base. It means here you will learn how to make a Android as well as iOS app using a single code base. So I hope you all got the understanding what is Flutter is and what we're gonna make using this technology. So we could move to the syllabus part now. In the very starting we'll talk about the introduction part. I'll teach you how to install the Flutter in your app, in your system. You'll have to install the Android Studio. For that you'll need to use that only. There you'll need to add the Flutter toolkit. That's it, what you'll need to do. After that we'll create a simple application. After we'll talk about the widgets, layouts, and once you will get the understanding of widgets and layout, I'll give you a project of making your own portfolio using those understanding which I have given you till that, and I'll support you in the project. Definitely I'll give you the quick part of it, that how you can make it. So after that we'll talk about the gesture. After I'll teach you how you can change the state according to the event triggered on your app. So there we'll also talk about the animation. If you need to add the animation in your app, how could you do it? We'll talk about that. With the working application we'll talk about that. Once you will get the understanding of animation part, I'll give you the task of making your own application using animation. There you could add your own innovation, any idea which will need to make using any app you will need to make using animation. You could do this. I'll support you throughout the project. After that we'll learn how to make a specific code for example, as I've told you before this cross platform came concept came, the apps were making for Android different for Android and different for iOS. So if we'll need to add a specific functionality for Android, so what we'll need to make a plugin for Android specific, and we could add the Java code into the Flutter. We could add the plugin which is in the Java code into the Flutter, that we could do. So we'll learn how we could do that. After that I'll teach you the packages we'll gonna use and the functionality of the packages, the classes which we'll use there. I haven't told you yet, the language we're gonna use in Flutter will be Dart. So we'll talk about the Dart packages also. We'll talk about the APIs, how you could access the APIs and the basic concepts of it. After that I'll teach you the databases part, how you could add the database in your Flutter application. There we'll talk about the SQLite database. It's a database, inbuilt database of Flutter, and Firebase is a cloud database. So, and I'll teach you how you could make your authentication app using Firebase database. After that we'll talk about the Intel packages. The testing part we'll talk how you could do your testing, the steps involved, and with a working example we'll talk about that. We'll learn it, and we'll learn how you could deploy your application, Android application. After that we'll learn the different tools, development tools we will use, like Flutter SDK, dev tools, what we'll use, we'll talk about that part also. After that we'll discuss how we could make a advanced application using Flutter. Till that I'm sure you all will be able to make your advanced application using Flutter. In the end I'll give you a final project. I'll teach you throughout the project till your project will be completed. I'll teach you throughout the project. I'm sure you all will be able to make your own application. If you will attend the classes daily, you will be able to make your own application, and you could deploy it too. So I'm sure and I hope you all will understand and will enjoy the whole session, the whole batch very with the huge excitement. So that's it for today. I hope you understood the concept what we're gonna teach about this, and definitely you'll be able to make your own app. So this is it for today. From the next session we'll talk about the whole syllabus in detail. The session will be started, the whole session will be started by next session. So this is it for today. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye.